Joey the rat, Joey the pigeon, sneeze. Bro, excuse me. Bro, you are, I keep saying one of a kind, but I think you just one of a kind, bro. One of a kind. I have never in my life, bro, in my life, ever seen or heard anybody act like you in my life, bro. In my life, bro, you literally are night and day when you think you got money. And for somebody that claims to be a millionaire, claims to spend more money than we didn't have, and then you act like when you get money that when you get your little money, you act like I've never seen anybody ever act in my life, bro. You literally act like a child. No, I thought like you. I thought like you know, a person will used to having money. They act. You would never know. You never know. That's how they keep their money, and that's how they get their money. But you, bro, you are by far, bro, the childish person I have ever seen in my life with money. You act so childish that you gotta try to come back the next day or the following day and almost like you came down off a high or something, and then you want to backtrack and then act like people get this, people that. But bro, it's you. You act like you really act like a child when you get money. And to me, that's like a person that ain't used to having anything. Bro, I really truly you are just a flat out phony from head to toe. You are the family member that nobody wants to mention. I'm starting to figure that out, bro. Because your taste is terrible. Your taste is terrible. One. Two, bro, you don't know what good life is. I really think you don't. You do not know what life is. You like the ghetto. You a ghetto family member that never gets to in front, never be invited to the quote unquote the big house. Yeah, I'm starting to figure it out, bro. Yeah, that's what it is, bro. You ghetto. You ain't nothing but a ghetto. Wanna be ghetto, but in that life of ghetto, not real ghetto. I'm talking about sneeze. Your ghetto is the suburbs. You know, that's your ghetto. Because trust me, bro, you ain't from not a single ghetto around here. Trust me, you're not. Bro, you are literally the white trash of the goddamn family. Oh, yeah. I mean, bro, because it all makes sense. You don't know how to act when you get money. You don't know how to manage your money. You'd rather stay in a roach motel than be in a apartment or a studio. You are the white trash of your family. And that's why nobody want their name attached to you. Because you ain't nothing but trash. Bro, that's all you are. That's all you are. You trash. And you try to cover up the trash, but you just cannot cover it up, bro. You're a loser, and we're losers. White trash. You are the loser of white trash. That's crazy to me. That it is a person that's lower than them than the other white trash. Bro, that is amazing to me. I never would have thought that until I started just thinking. Like, wait a minute. This idiot is really white trash. I'm just sitting there just thinking, like, acting too crazy when you get money. You act like a kid at a candy store when you get money. It's like you think because you bring it on and you count it in front of people that you balling. And you don't have no fans. Bro, you came on here, you come on YouTube, you have nothing else to do. You alienated yourself from everybody. Because you are a freaking loser, white trash. Bro, and you know it too, bro. Wow. That's crazy to me. That a person can come on, keep doing something, knowing that ain't nobody in your little fan club. You wouldn't know how. I know. Because nobody even called in to say happy birthday. Nobody typed in when you said, guess how much money I made tonight? Because you are lonely. Ain't nobody talking to you no more. Because you just crap, man. That's all you are. You a complete loser. And be honest with you, bro, I'm probably the only person I'm probably talking to you. Real talk. And that's sad, because I hate your guts, bro. The stuff you do for no reason. So, I'm starting to understand now why people completely probably just left you. Because you are like, you just don't stop, bro. Nobody likes you. Nobody. I figured it out more and more and more. Because when you have somebody faking fans, fake fans, it's just getting to the point where you just be like, wow. Like, wow, bro. Wow. Bro, I'll leave you with this. Sooner or later, bro, you got to admit to yourself that you are a freaking clown with no audience but yourself. That's crazy to me. It is crazy how somebody keep things going even though you know ain't nobody listening to your butt no more. Because you are a-hole, bro. A straight up a-hole. You know it as well, everybody else know it. You are literally talking to yourself. Wow. Wow.